foot pegs. Woo! Well, that's pretty cool. Came to the beach to chill out for a few minutes, and there's a bunch of dolphins out there. Can't really make them out too well with the camera, but with the naked eye, it's pretty darn cool. Glass. Actually, it's just rocks. They look like glass. It is ridiculous how much better this thing looks and feels with that passenger seat added. Sitting on this and riding it way more comfortable than using the riser. And it looks nice and streamlined, looks more like a moped. When I have my son with me, I'll ride him on the back and see how he likes the foot pegs. But man, what a much better ride with that passenger seat on. Sitting on it moped style is way more comfortable.